Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be creating another eye look, and this time I will be using my new palette, and this palette was out for some time but I never got a chance to get my hands on it. So I finally received it, and it's the Dose of Colours palette, Daisy and Katie Friendcation palette. It's a gorgeous 10 color eyeshadow palette. It contains some mattes which are nice and you can use it for every day, but also it does contain some super gorgeous metallic-y and shimmery shades as well. Yeah, today I will be playing with this palette here. If you want to see what look I will come up with, just stick around. So I already have my eyeshadow base applied, and I've used MAC Painterly Paint Pot and set it with some translucent powder. So now I'm going to go straight into this palette, and I'm going to take this color here, which called Necessary, and apply that into my crease using a big fluffy brush, and I will repeat this step a few times just to get a good color intensity. So keeping this shape quite rounded, and I'm going into my crease and a little bit above, so into my upper crease. So I want this color to be seen when I apply other eyeshadows. These eyeshadows are so creamy, like the color payoff is amazing. So easy to work with and blend it out, and literally no fallout. So next I'm taking this nice brown color from the palette called Churro, and it's a nice kind of brown, and I'm applying that into my crease again, but this time I'm using a smaller brush, and it's the MAC 221. Again, repeating the same step a few times, this time keeping this color directly into my crease and not going as far up as with the transition shade. And going back with the big fluffy brush I've used before, just going over the edges between my transition shade and the Churro color. Now that I'm happy how my crease color looks, I'm going to take this MAC pencil, eye pencil, which is called Coffee, and apply that along my lash line and smudge it out using some transition color called Necessary and a smudger brush. Lastly, I'm taking the color from the palette called Dirty Money, which is this gorgeous kind of like goldy greeny color, the shimmery color, and I'll apply that using my finger onto the center of my eyelids. So then I'm taking a small flat synthetic brush and color Just a Kiss, and applying that into the inner corners of my eyes. So now it's time to do the bottom part of my eyes. So I'm using the same pencil again, the Coffee pencil, and I'm just gonna apply a thin line of it underneath my eyes, and I'm going to smudge it out using the same brush I've used on a top lash line. I'm taking color Necessary from the palette and the same brush and just applying that all over the pencil. And then going back to the palette again, I'm taking color Churro and repeating the same step again. I want to create a very smoky underneath the eye effect. And now I'm applying the same Coffee pencil into my waterline as well. And then I'm repeating the same steps onto the other eye. And on the top lash line, I just want to apply some black gel liner. So I'm using my Bobbi Brown black eye gel liner. After I'm finished with my gel liner, I'm applying some mascara and false lashes. So now that I have my eyes done, I'm gonna go off camera, do my face, otherwise this video would be so long, and I'll show you the finished look. And here's the finished look of my eye makeup. So I have the rest of my face applied, and this is how it looks. So this eye look is so easy to achieve because you're just using like 3 colors. I love this palette so much. The pigmentation of the eyeshadows is just amazing. Another thing is there's literally no fallout, which is great as well. It's very creamy. Now the only thing is I found that when you want to use all the metallic shades, it's better off just to use your finger because it kind of packs more color onto your lid rather than using any type of brush. But if you wet your brush with spray or water, this should be fine as well. I hope you enjoyed this easy eye look tutorial, and if you have this palette, I would love to see your looks. So if you have created anything using this palette, please let me know in the comments down below so I'll be able to check it out, and then maybe I will recreate your look as well on my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.